What is it?
I don't know.
Yeah. He was in. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back. We're in northern Wisconsin breaking down some new bodies of water, small lakes, trying to get on some walleyes. Stick around, should be a good video. Let's go, first fish. No crawling.
Oh yeah, walleye. Walleye.
Yeah, you can.
Help me.
You can lift them in there. Lift them in there.
Yes.
There you go. You're not that big. There's a camera there too. That confirms that they're still in here. It's a rainy, crappy day, but looks like a 14, 15 incher. You got that weed with the jig pitching up on the edge of the weed line here. And yeah, that's on a piece of a night collar. I'm throwing the plastic scoop, so we'll look at it right now. We'll see. We can get a few more of these. He's working the short line. I'll put the screenshots in what we're doing here. What? How big? 13 and a half. We've got nice colors on them. Alright, I'm going to put this shot in here. I just kind of use my pan optics to see where the edge of the weed line is. You can see it's over here. It's about 40 feet out. I'm pointing it towards the bank. And then we just kind of drift with the wind and stay right on that weed edge and cast right to the edge of it and work our baits back. And that's where we've been getting our bites at. Plastic off the camera there. Alright. What's up? What is it?
Oh, I don't know.
Hey, get over here, let me get the net. Fine. He was in the motor, that's why you couldn't move him.
Oh my god.
Good job. Uh-oh. There we go. I have to crawl it. Nice fish. Yeah. Move it up in here. Crappy day on that little weedless jig. Turn the camera off here. Little weedless jig. And this fish has been hit by something. You can see the teeth marks on him. But he is healthy. She. 23, yeah. Alright, nice 23 incher. Here to start things off. Sorry for the audio and it's raining. With this nice 23 incher. Yeah, like that, yeah. Hey, look at the loon. He just went under the bowl. He's trying to get that fish. These little baby loons are swimming all over. They don't like the fact that she just smacked this 23 incher here. Alright. Let's get a couple pictures and throw him back. Wait, picture? Alright, we're going to throw him back. There you go. Over here and dump him out the back. Using that full crawler and a weedless jig. Alright. Just kind of set him down in there. And just a rainy, drizzly day. Got this guy. There you go. And back down. Alright, we're just working this weed line here. Put some map shots in. We're sitting on the edge of it in about 13, 14 feet of water. Just working the edge of it. And she just picked that fish up. She caught a 13.5 on a crawler. I was throwing plastic, nothing. And minnow before, or minnow now, plastic fluke. Only got that one hit. I think it was a perch, but we'll just continue to work this weed line here all the way around this lake and see if we can pick up some more. I didn't think I had one at first. That was really weird. I see what she means. She said that they're biting, but I got them, but they're not hitting it. They're just kind of scooping them, and they're just kind of scooping them up. Thought it was in the weeds. All right. Is this going to be a steady rain today? Got this guy on a minnow. That little weedless jig, we're pitching right up in the weeds. She got that nice 23-incher. It's probably like a 14-incher. Really nice little fish. Great fish. First fish on the Cade Outdoors rods. A little sticker there. 7.2 medium, extra fast action. I felt everything on that, the weeds and the actual fish. Yeah, that was really cool. Quick little measurement for this guy. 15-incher. They have to be 15 out here to keep this particular lake. So yeah, throw him back. Away he goes. Down he goes. Awesome. Yeah, it's just kind of gonna be one of these days where it just rains all day. And sorry for the lens being all messed up, but that's what happens. But yeah, we're just working down this weed line. The wind is blowing us perfectly into this bay, and we'll continue to work the edge of it and see if we can pick up some more fish here. Just kind of working our way down the edge of this weed line here. Stick around. So today I'm using the 7'2" medium extra fast Cade Outdoors rod, and as you can see, I caught that walleye fairly quickly. It's a great action. I'm thinking this is going to be my go-to plastics rod. I'm just throwing live bait with it. They do have a medium light 7'2", but these are great rods. I'll link everything down below where you can pick these up. Cade Outdoors, made in the USA. Great product, affordable. I think they run about $220 compared to the Legend tournaments I'm running. They're they're a little over 300 for those, and these just blow those out of the water. This is a great handmade product here in the USA. Check them out, Cade Outdoors. Yeah, well, what do you got? The camera. Oh, it's a walleye. Wait, I can get him. Hold on. Walleye. Alrighty. It is raining pretty good. And she just got this walleye. We're checking the inside of the weed edge here. It is coming down. We have to cover up the cameras. Sorry about that, but that's a pretty decent little guy there. Full night crawler. We're on the super inside weed edge. And using that full crawler. Oh, see how big? Check and see how big. Yeah, show the camera, please. Yeah. Let's see how big he is. Measure him. Yeah, he's a cool looking little guy. Check how big. 15-incher, so that would be a legal fish out here. Hold on. I'm gonna cover up the front camera because of the rain is coming down. Alright, she's gonna let him go. Nice little fish here. There he goes. Good job. So basically, I got about a half a crawler on here, weedless jig. And I'm using my Cade Outdoors 7'2" medium extra fast action, and I'm just pitching this into the weeds and just slow rolling it back with that PC Fun Carbon X2. Yeah, just pitching it in there and slow rolling it, 1/4 ounce jig. It's pretty much everything is on this inside edge. That's the bad thing. Like, you're gonna get a bunch of little panfish doing this too, but the outside edge primarily is what we had been fishing on this lake. And it has rained like non-stop the whole weekend we've been up here. So we just kind of get out in between the big downpours and see if we can pick up some fish. So stick around. Fish on. So I said maybe we should head back. It's getting dark. I got hooked up. Coming by the island here. New lake. Same thing. Pulling this jig. Hold on.
Come on, baby.
I don't know what I got here. I think it's a walleye though. Looks like a walleye, little walleye.
Yeah. Walleye.
There you go. Got him?
Yep.
Okay. Good job. Well, oh, he's pissed. Yeah, he ain't happy about that. Watch out, I got the hook in there. Nice 17-incher here, right at dusk. And that's a pretty fish there. Maybe we'll snap a couple pics of him. Gonna dump this guy back. Just got this nice 17-inch walleye here, northern Wisconsin. I dump him back. There you go, Rick. All right. All right, that's a wrap. Little trip up here in northern Wisconsin, breaking down some new bodies of water, new lakes, 300, 400, 500 acre lakes, checking some different ones out. Found some fish, mostly on the weed line or on that first break. Trying out the new sponsor, Cade Outdoors, trying this 7'2" medium extra fast with a PC Fun Carbon X1000 on there. Great rod. Seems like a really good plastic rod is what my initial thoughts are on this rod. But yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching. If you're not, please subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.